The CLiP current limiting protector from G&W Electric is an expendable device, and as such, the interrupter assembly must be replaced after each operation. To do so, first ensure that the device has been expended by checking that the local indication of operation indicator is visible. This is a nail point pin projecting from the end of the interrupter on the firing reed side. There's flaking of paint along the side of the interrupter, and there's a loss of continuity across the interrupter and fuse. Check this by using a multimeter. Now, to replace an expended interrupter, simply de-energize the power circuit in accordance with local safety practices and de-energize the control power to the control box. It's important to short the firing leads and only then disconnect the firing leads from the SFL stubs. Unbolt the interrupter assembly from the support bus bars on each end and remove the interrupter assembly. Next, check the nameplate data on the new units against the data on the unit just removed. These ratings should be identical. The only difference will be the manufacturing date. Also verify that the old and new units are identical in appearance. Finally, bolt the new assembly in place, using the hardware that is supplied. Do not connect the shorted firing leads. Now make sure the power source is de-energized and connect the firing leads from the interrupter to the studs on the SFL. The bare shorting wire should remain twisted and intact. Polarity for the gray firing leads is not an issue. However, if the CLiP current limiting protector has redundant SFLs, the interconnection between each SFL must be positive to positive and negative to negative. The negative wire has a wire tie at each end and must be connected to the shorter, non-insulated stud on each SFL. Polarity only matters when connecting SFL to SFL, and not when connecting the interrupter through the SFL. After connecting the firing leads, remove the bare shorting wire from the firing leads and energize the control box. The replacement is now complete. For questions or technical support, contact G&W Electric.